Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to show you how to use the speed function on CapCut. The speed function allows you to adjust the playback speed of your video, which can create some really cool effects. So let's get started. Open up the CapCut app. And now the first step is to import your video. Just tap on this plus icon. You can either record a new video using your mobile camera or import an existing one from your gallery. Here, select any video that you want to add. And let's choose this one. Just tap on add. Once you have your video ready to edit, you can add it to your timeline in CapCut. Now tap on the clip on the timeline to select it. And then tap on the speed function icon at the bottom of the screen. This looks like a clock. Just tap on it. And once you have selected the speed function, you can adjust the playback speed of your video. You can tap on this normal and then select the speed of your video that you want. I'm going to play the video. You can see the playback of the speed of the video is increased. Either increase or decrease this by using this slider. You see the video is now in super slow motion. And once you're happy with the speed of the video, just tap on this tick icon. Also, there's another feature. You can add the curves to your video speed. Just tap on it. You can use this montage option. You will see the speed of the video will increase and then gradually decrease from this point to here. You see, if I play this video, the speed is increasing and then slowly decreasing. You can create your own custom speed graph just by tapping on the custom and then tap on edit. Here, select the video. You can see the slider that indicates the speed of the video. The middle one is number 1. This will increase the playback speed as well as decrease it. You can choose these sliders and play with it to make your video interesting. Now let's play the video. And there you have it. And once you are done with this, just tap on this tick icon. Just tap on it again. Now let's play the video. And once you're happy with your video and the speed changes you have added, it's time to export and share it. Here, select the video quality that you want it to be and select the frame rates. And then tap on this export icon. And once it is exported, you can share it directly from CapCut to any social media platform such as Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And that's it, folks. I hope this video tutorial helped you to use the speed function on CapCut. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.